Open CMD in JSON server. Right there, JSON hyphen server space minus watch space data dot JSON space minus port space 1 2 3 4. Visible? Okay, enter. JSON server will get a start. Hope should work for everyone. If anyone error, they should let me know. Run anywhere. There is no matter. Run in terminal or run anywhere. It should work like this. I'll share you the file data.json file. Okay. I'll share you the data.json file. Whoever have the problem, they can download this file. Keep in JSON server. Open the CMD here. And in CMD, open it, run it, or run in terminal. Anywhere you run, it should run, and it should give like this. Resources, three resources. Okay, ready? Check now. Firoj, happening or still error? I send you the file. You put in the folder and then run that command. Okay, go next then. If it's running. In JavaScript API folder, you will open the CMD. And then code space dot you can follow. Open code space dot enter. This was one server is running. You have not stopped the server, and then you have opened one more CMD. There code space dot you wrote, right? Okay. Next, this is the VS Code. Our file was yesterday index file. We can run again through the live server. Okay. So this content static page was ready. User from API it was coming. Comment you have implemented, right? Yes. Next, we have the data under the local server. Okay. And the local server is JSON server. Local server is JSON server. Inside that, 3 API you have. One is called book, city, and then EMP. In VS Code, you can load that also. You can go here in file and then add folder to workspace. And then you can select the JSON server. Click on add. So JSON server folder also will get added in the last. JSON server will get added in the last. Right, in the JSON server, you have a file data.json. There we have two book. So book become one API, city another book API, as well as EMP is the third API, right? Book, city, and EMP. Okay, done. Next, we require to display the list of books inside our project. We'll have a link here called book list. If you click on that, list of books will appear here. So come to the your index.html file and write one more function called getBook. And in getBook, we have to read the data from some URL, keep a alert first. Okay. You will come down. Li. On click equal to getBook function. You will write here call books. That is coming. Now there we will write that local URL.
Books URL.
I have stopped the server. Book URL. Okay is coming. So that URL you have to keep here now. A variable book equal to not book equal to data equal to, since it's a temp variable, empty. You will write fetch function http:// localhost : 1234 / what is that? Book or books?
Books.
You can check here. It is called book, BOOK. So that URL we need to leave here, book. Then dot, then you can apply all the if variable call response. Response.json convert into array object. Then again call then function book array. Then again you will run the map function. Same like this. We can use same class. What are the properties have in that?
Book name. We have name, price, and quantities.
Book array dot map. You can write for book and index. Okay, so that previous code we can add here book dot name, next book dot price, something else. Price after that book dot qty. Anything else? ID also we have. So you can add one. Okay, leave ID, let it be this much. So it is going to create 3-4 book in one line. Once the map is over, document dot get element by ID, API data dot inner HTML equal to this one called data variable. So book list appear. We check now. Book list appear. Total 2 books are there. So 2 book is only coming. We will add the book from other page. We'll have other link here. Once we click on that, it will go to other page. There also we can create a form and add the books. So check now for everyone, list appear. Tell us, then we'll move next. It is normal function. That function is getting the data from. That function is going to get the data from the array. Person, hope other are writing still. Send to index.html. Can use that file. After this, we will be shifting to the other file. So once this is done, then we will create a link called new book, and then from there we'll go for the next file. So complete quickly. Right? Come next then. We can add a button link here called new book. It will redirect to our page. It will redirect to other page. In index file, add one more link. New book. New book. Tell me, sir.
Sir, it is showing type error, but I type
Which type error? You're not getting the data. That is the problem. Okay, which URL called http://localhost:1234/book. Copy that URL. Copy. No, you copy. No?
Yes, sir.
Go to browser. Paste in new tab. Enter. Now this is working. Go there in the code again. Get book. Then response. Response.json is a function. JSON is a function. Write here function symbol. Check now. Okay, so added the new book. Now write a function called new book. Function new book. Inside the new book, you will write window dot location dot href equal to window dot location dot href equal to window dot location dot href equal to new book dot html. Once you click on new book, it will redirect via JavaScript, not through href. You can see here, have you given the href link? No. New book, we are calling the function. Function will redirect to where? New book.html. So we should have now a book page called new book.html. Create a file new book.html. Okay, so new book.html file, create. Inside that file, HTML head script, and then body, and then next call. You can write here call enter tag h1 add new book or enter book details, enter book details, align center. You can write create a p tag in the last, align center, ahref, back to list. There you can write index.html, back to list. Back to list. Now check now. New book, and from new book it's coming back to the book list. New book, back to list. It will display by default home page. Okay. Next you write in between now a table, align equal to center, cell padding equal to 10-15, tr, th, book name, next th, td you can write. Input type equal to text, size equal to 40-50, id equal to new book, id equal to b name, id equal to b name. So one tr you can add first, then price and quantity, two more we have to add. B name you added, B price, B quantity. Okay, added. Add one more tr. Book price. B price we can write here. The quantity. BQTY. Last year. TH. Call span 2. Button. Save book. On click equal to call a function called save. Okay, so hope your form is ready. New book. Back to list. Again, new. Something like this. Now we have to work on save function. We have to take the B name, B price, BQTY and send to the backend. And after sending to the backend, redirect to list. After sending to backend, redirect to list. Okay, so come to the HTML is ready. Okay, so come to the HTML part, script part. Write a function called save. Create a variable b name equal to document dot get element by ID. Which ID? bname dot value. bname dot value. Okay. Next, after that, bprice. bname bprice bqty bprice bqty. Okay, bname bprice bqty. Next, after that, create an object of that, a variable new book equal to name colon bname price colon bprice qty colon bqty. Next, after that, we required a URL where we are going to post the data. Same URL that you have used for the fetching purpose. Same URL that you have used for the fetching purpose. Okay. Next, after that, so complete this much. And this much.
JSON data को ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करके JavaScript करके डिस्प्ले करो। तब से नहीं
Okay, still there done. After that, so data we collected from the form. After collecting the data, we created one array of object, not array of object, only one object. Now this data we have to convert into JSON. Okay, and you are going to post the data. So you have to inform to the server where you are going to post and what you are going to post. Okay, and then we need to hand over to fetch function. Fetch will take care. So right here, another variable post option equal to post option equal to headers, a small. Don't select that suggestion, type manually headers. In the headers, you will write content hyphen type, content type colon, content type application slash JSON, application slash JSON. Then method colon post, then body, what you are sending. So we have to use a function called JSON dot stringify to convert from array to JSON. New book is in the form of array as of now. It is in the form of array. You can also call it an object. It is in the form of object. Now this object we have to convert into JSON. So this line is called array to JSON. Array to JSON. Because in the JSON server, data.json file, you have stored the data in the JSON format. So while posting also, we have to send the JSON only. Content type, why it's error here? Application slash JSON. Okay, curly bracket I missed because it is holding two property. You can put inside the bracket.
In the next, we have to display like object. The JavaScript from JSON to display, it should convert to object means.
Dot JSON function I have used to convert from array to JSON object, JSON to array object. Okay, so done till here. All right. Make sure content type C should be capital, T should be capital. Post small capital, both it will take. JSON is a capital word. Stringify is a function name. New book is this one. So I'll share this much in the chat also. There. Okay. Next, right here, fetch function now. H function, URL, comma, post also. Okay, URL, comma, post option, then response again from server, again response.json, again dot then anything the right server response. See what you are posting. You are posting the book name, price, and quantity, right? We are posting the book name, price, quantity. When the data will store successfully, from there response should come book name, price, quantity with ID. After saving, same details will come with ID. We can check it. Console.log we can write here. And there we'll find out what is going to come in that. Okay, added. Now let's check once. In console, we have to check. Enter the values, save it, and look into the console. I'll share remaining data, or maybe all the content of the function. Company asked people should be strong in JavaScript. When a strong point of JavaScript will come, people will log out from the Zoom. In the beginning, there was a 12 people. Now there is a 9 people. The people who log out, they only will get the first offer letter. Not understood. See in the Zoom, how many people were there in the beginning? There was 12. Now 3 went out. Okay, they feel like this is the class. Useless. Who wants to go to the industry, then will come to know. Without JavaScript, we can't survive in the market. Today only we have made an agreement with the company for next 8 years. They will hire the people experience and fresher from us. And they want a strong JavaScript. They will teach you different JavaScript library to handle the robots, to handle the, what is that, what will fly in the sky, drone, to control the remote, okay, to create the watch, to handle the washing machine through remote, right? To create the online operation machine. People will be in the US and they'll operate the Indian people kidney. Those kind of machines, those company develop. For that, they need strong JavaScript. Let's go.
So the ID is number 5.
Okay, so something leave that. Let's write here. I'll write here call Python book price 2000, quantity as a 5. Let's keep it as save. See, we have sent the name, price, quantity, and from there what response came with ID. So data got stored, and from there along with that response came as a ID. Go to the book list. You will find Python is added there. After saving, go to the list. You will see the book added in the list. Save it, go to the list, see book is added or not. Please confirm for how many people list is, data is saving and it's coming in the list. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, after saving this, it should redirect automatically. Right here, a alert. Response.name. Response.name. Save successfully. Response.name save successfully. If you click 20 times, same book will get added 20 times. If you click 20 times, same book will get added 20 times. Our target is to add. How many is adding? One click it will add only one. Don't check other things. Check whether it's adding or not. After adding, what is not coming? Button click, you did something. What you did in button click? First hit button click. Button click is not hidden. What you wrote?
Expressions.
Which expression? That is not for us. Click on these three dots. Click on middle one, this one, this one, this one. Next, yes. Go to the console. Clear this. This, not that. This X is there. Click on that. Close it. Now enter value. Refresh the page first. Refresh it. Enter value. Anything. See window. What you wrote, show me B name, B price, BQTY, B name, B price, BQTY. Then headers, content type, application JSON. Method, not method. After that, METHOD. D, METHOD. Check now. Enter value. Anyone else error?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Show me. So quickly. You are in the problem. First, click on these three dots. Click on this one. Third one. Third is there. Click yes. Now, go to your code. Enter the value here. Refresh first. Enter the value. Anything ABCD. Enter anything. Save. Undefined save successfully. Click on save. Go to the code. Now save. Window.location.response.name. What you posted from here, B name, B price, BQTY. Open that file. Data.json. Come down. Everywhere is storing is empty. Again, go to your code. This one. Come down. BID, B name, B price, BQTY, button click, all save function, go up. Get element by ID. Hello, quantity, B name, new book. JSON.stringify new book. HEADRS. Content hyphen type. CONTNT content application hyphen JSON. Method post. Body. HURL event. Then response.json. Server response.name. Save successfully. These all are correct only. Come to the again browser. Refresh the page. Enter something. ABC. Enter ABC. Save. Click on OK. You know what is the problem? Show me the folder. Go there. That all are correct only. Folder, show me the folder. Go back. Back means here. Yes. Your file is where? Under the API. Here also why data.json is there. delete that data.json. Next, JSON server delete from here. Go back. Where is the CMD? Close the CMD. Go back to that JSON server folder. Open CMD here. Start the JSON server. Okay, so data is saving for all. After that, list is also happening. Start JSON server. List is happening here. You can add n number of book. React.js. Price 600. Quantity 5 save. React.js save successfully. Go to the React.js here. It will come. MySQL. Price 600. Quantity 7. Save it. Go back. Book, right? So data is saving. Okay, now data is saving as well as data is listed. If you look into this API, you have another one that is called city and EMP. Now see, for the book, what are the details you take? ID, name, price, something. Similar way, for city, you can take this ID, city name and state name. ID, city name and state name. And first you will add 2, 3 manually and list it. After listing, again create a new page and add the city name, state name and save it. Okay. Once that is done, then again you will go for the EMP. Name, mobile, email, city, pin code, salary. How many field you want to add? Like this. We'll add it. First add for 1 or 2, then create a list. Again create a new employee. In that fill the value. Again save and come to the list. So it will become a strong practice of posting the data and fetching the data. Okay. Then next will be called deleting part. How to delete from server, how to edit from server. Okay, the next I'll guide. This 2 is the homework. Which one? City and EMP. Important part of this is very, very important part of JavaScript. Okay. Whether you work for React, you work for Angular, you work for JavaScript, you work for jQuery, everywhere you have to communicate with the server. Okay. And fetch function is the predefined function of JavaScript. Fetch function, using that we can post, we can fetch, you can update, using delete, we can patch. What is the meaning of patch? Huh? Patch meaning when the tire will be patched. Patch what will do? Tire will be punctured, no cycle. What you do? In tire you change entire tube or you replace particular portion. That is called patch. Update meaning change the tire itself. Change the not tire, tube itself. That is called as a update. Replace completely everything, whether working, not working, no matter, replace. Patch meaning is what? Modify those portions that is bad. That is called as a patch. So I'll guide you. Now this is called fetch. This is called fetch. By default, get method. Okay. Next, what we are doing in this file, you are doing as a, see, call as a post. So next, when we delete, we'll pass here called delete. Okay. Then instead of, if you, in case you want to update, then we'll have 2 options, patch and put. Patch means only those that you modified. Update those that you modified. Update means, put means update all. Whether you modified, not modified, update all. Okay. So this 4, what is get, post, delete, patch and put. This 5 you have to use lifetime everywhere. Practice properly, then come back. Okay. Saving the data, listing the data. This 2 should happen for remaining 2. Next I'll guide. Okay. They went or they are there only. Okay. They will not come tomorrow. They'll come on Monday. Huh?